आपने आखिरी फिल्म कौन सी देखी है अभी हाल ही में
Now
जो
you know
आपको
which is the
बहुत ही
last
अच्छी
film I
लगी?
saw.
सैयारा.
Yeah. But actually no, War 2.
War 2.
War 2. Yes. That's the last film I saw.
How did you
And
find it?
I loved it. But maybe I'm biased or whatever. I loved it. I thought it was fabulous. I thought it was entertaining. I didn't feel bored while watching it. The action sequences were phenomenal. Yeah, the digital was a little whatever, but I mean, as performers, Hrithik, NTR, oh my God, like, I'm sorry, but I'm like a full-on fan. Like, I'm a full-on Hrithik, NTR. Like, just the combo coming on screen together was just like
Massive.
insane. And like, I don't know, I love the film, so.
And you also watched Saiyaara.
Yes,
Let's talk about it.
Of course. I loved that. Again, I think Mohit Suri has hit it out of the ballpark. Again, like I say, I believe that cinema is a director's medium. I really believe that. And when the director gets to people that with so much talent and he knows what to do with them, that's when you have magic on screen, right? So Mohit Suri, this director who finally got these two very talented, beautiful actors together. And then he had these scenes, you know, because that's where the magic happens, when you create those beautiful scenes in that moment. And that's what a film is. It's just a series of scenes that give out that message. And I think Mohit Suri is like, he's like according to me, he's the orchestra guy, and he's like orchestrated this entire team together so beautifully, whether it's Ahan, whether it's, this girl,
Aneet
Padda. Yes. I keep messing up because I'm like, is it Aneet or is it something else? But she's beautiful. He's so raw. You know, it was beautiful.
It was nice.
It came together. Yeah, very well.
So, अभी आप फिल्म बिजनेस से हो, इंडस्ट्री में इतने सालों से आप देख रहे हो, आपको क्या लगता है कि एक फिल्म सैयारा जो आई है, it just knocks it out of the park, and then there is another film, big banner, big actors, but शायद वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पर उतना काम ना करे. Like expectation एक लोगों में हमेशा से पहले से होती है, but what do you feel is changing?
So, you know what, I don't think I haven't analyzed it so much, honestly. But what I will say is that Saiyaara hit people in the heart somewhere, you know, and I think it's also the fate of the people that have come together. Whereas I know, I'm sure you're taking the example of War 2, right? That's what you're comparing it to. I think where War 2 is concerned, because I also think that our country has a limited spend. People's pockets are not so deep. Going to a movie theater is expensive. It is not cheap, right? The same massy audience that has seen a Saiyaara might not be able to go 2 weeks later to see a War 2 to that extent. Also because, again, it's the excitement, of course, is there for an NTR and a Hrithik. But again, this is my analysis, maybe because it was an action film. People are like, oh, Hollywood is throwing so much at us that they are, you know, kind of saturated with the action again. So I would say that these might be the reasons. Not that the film was not good. Not that they didn't give everything and that it was not like banging and kick-ass and what sequences and, you know, everything was like, it was a thrill ride. But again, spending power is less. This massive film has come. It's like taken over people's hearts. Music is amazing. And then you get another massive film coming, not even like 2-3 weeks later. Our country is not that rich. The people of our country. And this, I will say to the theaters, you know, these multiplexes. And because when you go see a film, you want to eat popcorn. And if you're going to charge me $400 for 300 ml of Pepsi, it's a crime. I'm sorry, but I'm cheap, yes. But it is, you know, and like if I'm saying this, can you imagine what the other guy is saying? Like he's like, you know, like this friend of mine in Jaipur, he's like, $400 for 300 ml of Pepsi.
Yeah.
It's like you're having heart attacks, you know. So
I would prefer to starve, which I do. I either eat pehle.
Arey yaar, now when you're going with your kids and everything, like I want to buy like 4 tubs of popcorn for all of them, and like, come on, you want to do that, right? And I think that this is a conversation that just has to happen at some point with taxes. And, you know, I'm not saying that the theater owners are wrong. I'm not saying that, but there has to be some kind of mediation that has to come in, because it's affecting the films.
Yeah.
It's affecting our business. I really believe it's affecting our business, because everybody's like, oh, we'd rather watch it on OTT 3 months later. They'll wait for their good film. They won't go to the theater because they've just spent so much already. Like, you take a family of 4, you're spending $3,000 minimum.
और उन्हें ये पता भी होता है कि आज ये फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, 2 महीने में OTT पर आ जाएगी. पहले ऐसा नहीं हुआ करता था.
Exactly. तो I think there has to be एक team effort बनना पड़ेगा, जहां producers, theater owners, maybe even government officials को एक consensus बनाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि Bollywood is the culture of this country.
Absolutely.
The Bollywood industry has given, yes, we say make India great again, you know, make in India.
Make in India.
Bollywood is made in India. It is make in India. It is Indian actors. It is Indian subjects. It is Indian everything. Why aren't we getting those concessions? Why are we being penalized? Why are we being Bollywood bashed constantly? Why? Like, really, this is just something that really hurts me again, because you say I'm a Bollywood baby. I love my industry. I love my film industry. I love my film fraternity. I love the people coming into my film fraternity. I love the people who are born in this fraternity. I love my Nepo babies, if you want to call them that. I love them. And I want to know why we are being bashed.
आपको लगता है क्योंकि आप लोग फिल्म फैमिली से आते हो, इसीलिए जबरदस्ती भी वो बैशिंग मिलती है आपको? मतलब प्रेशर ज्यादा है?
You know, I'll tell you something very clearly. When you come from a film family, you think of the film industry first. You're not somebody who's here to take from the film industry. Yes, you want to be an actor, you want to be a director, you want to be a producer in this film industry, but you will always think about giving to the film industry. It is about growing the industry. It is about, and somewhere I feel people who come from outside, they come with no loyalty to our film industry. They come to take. And maybe if they become second generation, if they have children and then their children want to be a part of the industry, then they'll think of giving back. About making for the industry, about, you know, whether it's a Rohit Shetty or whether it's my brother-in-law, they take care of the stunt guys.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I hear stories. They are, you know, like, whatever it is, families of the industry are about making movies that will give back to the industry, that will grow the industry, that will nourish the industry. And I believe that. And I want more people to think like that.
I agree with this one.
Thank you. I'm glad you agree with me.
Yeah.
I know I'm right.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.